last night, 2, what looked like meteors, penetrated the Earth's atmosphere.
Rosemary Pierce, Channel 52 News. Dad, you have to come see the Beehive. I think it might be angry.
Try 25. 25.
Different people are saying different things, Dad.
You need to learn to not believe everything you see in the news.
Should we worry, Dad?
My phone's dead. We gotta go.
Run away from what?
Some people are calling them comets, meteors. I've heard other theories like this is intelligent life.
I will always protect you and your brother.
Who in your family came in contact with the creature?
Daddy's always here.
That's right.